Hey, Global CE Day. This is Tom Judd of CED, and I am very pleased to have Roland Laleye of Benin with me on the line. Welcome, Roland. Roland, tell us about your job. What do you do in Benin in the clinical engineering field?
Okay, I am a biomedical engineer, and I work in Ministry of Health as a head of the office which manage equipment and maintenance in national staff. So
Very
we
good.
have in our office we work for buying equipment for all hospitals in our country, and our team, we have a team to follow the installation of equipment with our partners. If we have equipment, our team install equipment in hospital. And if they have the hospital have the problem of maintenance, we can also help them to solve.
Sure. So how many public hospitals in Benin?
How many?
Yeah. Yes.
How many, please?
How many hospitals?
How many aspirants? Yes?
Yes. Yes. How many hospitals in the public health system in Benin?
Excuse me, because I can't hear.
Yeah, I'm sorry. How many hospitals do you work with?
How many hospitals?
Yes, sir.
Do we work for? At my office, we can work for all hospitals in our country. If in our country we have around 4 university level hospital,
Yeah.
4, and we have 36 hospital, like district hospital.
Very good, very good. Well, are there many clinical engineers in Benin? Are there many biomedical engineers in Benin?
Okay, in Benin we have biomedical engineer level around 12.
And do you guys meet together? I mean, you and the academia, do you meet together?
Yes, when we have created our organization. We used to have some meeting for our association, but we have meeting also in case of professional work.
Sure. What would you like the global community to know about Benin and clinical engineering? What would you like the global community to know about your work?
Okay, I will like if you can follow our when we will have our meeting. We can call you and you can follow one of our meeting. Also, if we have some training, if you can help us for training in different fields of biomedical engineering, engineering, you can help us in training.
Okay. I know one of your particular roles, Roland, is you are the leader for the WGAA, the Working Group on Africa Activities led by Ashnafi Hussein of Ethiopia. You are the main liaison person to French-speaking Africa. Can you talk about your work there with WGAA?
Yes, yes, I can.
How do you communicate with your French-speaking colleagues around Africa, sub-Saharan Africa?
Okay, we when we meet in one of meeting we have in South Africa, we have make a we have exchange our email address. So I think that we now to have a good communication of all them, I must make a group, maybe WhatsApp group or a forum to a group discussion group in French speaking countries, engineer, and we can discuss.
Now, are you a part of the
So
group with, go ahead. Continue, I'm sorry.
Okay, I want to say that I must make the group, but I can't do, I don't do yet. I have to do it now.
Okay, are you in the WhatsApp group with Andre Mabule of Cameroon?
Yes, we have African biomedical engineer group, WhatsApp group, and we work on it. But that is for all African biomedical engineer with Andre Mbule, yes.
Well, I'm very glad you guys have that. You men and women have French-speaking men and women, clinical engineers, biomedical engineers in Africa have that communication tool. Very important. So I'm very glad about that. And I know you're a part of the global WhatsApp group as well.
Okay.
Was there any closing remarks you'd like to tell your colleagues around the world? Any closing remarks, any closing thoughts? How are you able to deal with COVID?
How I able to?
How are your colleagues able to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic?
Okay. Well, not for because of COVID-19, we can't do a lot of meeting live, but all meeting are remote meeting. So we have to continue our meeting by remote, by Zoom, and all kind of remote discussion.
Sure.
If I don't know if you can understand what I am saying.
Well, I know there's a lot of concern about whether having PPE or oxygen or respiratory equipment. So I know you've been working on that. Having the right equipment and the right protective equipment.
Yes, if I understand your question, I think that in our in COVID-19 condition we have now in the world, we have about a lot of equipment in my country, and we have also a lot of equipment for for ventilators, uh, personal protection equipment,
Yeah.
a lot of masks,
Yeah.
and incinerators, and we are buying laboratory P3 level laboratory,
Okay.
and we are building a special hospital for epidemic. So in my country, we are planned to we have built two now, one in the south and one in the north, but we are planning to build a four of the hospital to take care of COVID-19 patient.
Well, it sounds like the Ministry of Health and your team are working very hard. And so it's so glad to hear from you today, Roland.
Sorry?
It sounds like you and your team at the Ministry of Health are working very hard. And we're very glad to hear about your story today.
Yes, we are working hard because I am the national coordinator for a project which is building the center of to take care of epidemic COVID in the four we want to build. I am the national coordinator for that project, and the finance it is the Islamic Bank of Development, which do the financement is financing this project, and and we use UNOPS. I don't know if you know UNOPS.
Yeah, UNICEF for the children. Yes, we know UNICEF.
Okay, UNOPS. We have
and the Islamic Development Bank. Yeah, that's great.
Yes, okay. They are helping us. So we want to buy in the same project two laboratory P3 laboratory for two sides of the country, and one mobile laboratory P3, and some ambulance.
Yep. Well, very good. We're so glad we got to connect with you today and hear your story. And thank you for all your hard work.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know it's late there, so we'll let you go. But thanks so much. And thanks for joining Global CE Day.
Thank you very much. You are welcome. So I am not doing the work only. I have a lot of colleagues with me, women.
We understand your modesty. You're the leader, but you have a big
gentlemen.
team. Yep.
Okay.
Very good. Thank you, sir, and good night.
Thank you very much, Tom.
All right. Good night.